What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Stock Predictor. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start Shopify dropshipping in 2026, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to launch your first profitable store, from choosing a product, building the website, setting up suppliers, and running ads. So stay with me, because this guide is designed to save you months of trial and error. Before we start, let's answer one question. Is dropshipping still worth it in 2026? The answer is yes, but only if you do it the right way. The old method of importing random AliExpress products and hoping something sells is dead. The new dropshipping model is about fast shipping, branded stores, customer trust, and smart product selection. If you follow the steps I'm about to explain, you can build a real long-term e-commerce business. Alright, let's dive in. The first and most important step is choosing a winning product. Your product decides everything: your store design, your audience, your ads, and your chance of making money. In 2026, a winning product has three things. It solves a clear problem, it has strong, scroll-stopping appeal, and it has healthy profit margins. When I say solves a problem, I mean it actually makes someone's life easier. Think of products that fix everyday frustrations like organization gadgets, health and fitness accessories, smart home devices, pet care tools, or seasonal items. Next is viral potential. When a product is visually impressive or satisfying to watch, it performs extremely well on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You want a product that instantly makes people stop scrolling. And lastly, profit margins. You want at least a $20 to $30 profit per sale. If it costs you $10 from a supplier, you should be selling it for $35 to $40 minimum. If you want product sources, focus on platforms like TikTok Creative Center, Amazon Movers and Shakers, United States Trends on Google Trends, and suppliers like Temu, AliExpress Dropshipping Center, Zendrop, or CJ Dropshipping. Write down 5 products that catch your attention, then narrow it to one product that genuinely excites you. Trust me, working with a product you believe in makes marketing much easier. Once you've picked your winning product, it's time to set up your Shopify store. Go to Shopify.com and start the free trial. Shopify is beginner-friendly and the best platform for dropshipping in 2026. When creating your store name, don't overthink it. You don't need a complicated brand name. Something simple like TrendMate, Nova Gadgets, or Swift Fix Store works perfectly. After creating your account, choose a clean and modern theme. For beginners, the free Dawn theme works great. If you want more advanced features, you can upgrade to themes like Refresh or paid ones like Impulse or Sense, but it's not necessary for beginners. Your homepage should be simple. Don't act like a big company. Just include a clean banner showing your product, a clear call to action button like Shop Now, some trust badges, maybe a comparison chart, and testimonials once you have them. Avoid clutter. The simpler your store, the more people convert. Now let's talk product pages, because this is where conversions truly happen. Your product page should have a clean layout, a clear benefit-driven headline, professional product photos, and a high-quality product description. For the headline, don't just write the product name. Instead of LED pet grooming brush, write something like, keep your pets healthy and shedding free in minutes. Your description should focus on benefits, not features. Beginners often make the mistake of listing boring technical specs. Instead, talk about how the product improves someone's life. For example, say goodbye to pet hair all over your house. Our grooming brush removes loose fur instantly, keeping your home cleaner and your pet happier. Add GIFs or short videos in your description if possible. Visual content always converts better. Next, add customer reviews. If you're just starting out, import photo reviews from your supplier using apps like Loox, Farah, or Judge.me. Make sure your reviews look real, high-quality images, short sentences, simple names. For pricing, follow this rule. If your product costs $10 to $15 from the supplier, your selling price should be around $34.99 to $39.99. Don't underprice yourself. Dropshipping works because of marketing, not because you're the cheapest seller. Now let's talk shipping settings. In 2026, fast shipping is absolutely essential. Customers will not wait 20 to 30 days. Choose suppliers with US or EU warehouses, or those offering 5 to 12 day shipping. CJ Dropshipping and Zendrop are great for this. If your supplier doesn't offer fast shipping, choose a different product. Next, set up your store's backend. Add essential pages like Contact Us, Refund Policy, Shipping Policy, and Privacy Policy. Shopify can generate these for you automatically. Then set up payment providers. Choose Shopify Payments or PayPal. Also set up email notifications and branding to make everything look professional. Now your store is ready. The next step is testing your product with a piece of content. Content is the heart of dropshipping in 2026. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. There are 3 ways to get content. Order the product yourself and film it, hire a creator from websites like Billo or join brands to make content for you, or use supplier videos and edit them into original content. If you choose the third option, make sure you edit the video enough to avoid plagiarism or copyright issues. Your goal is to create organic TikToks, Reels, and Shorts that go viral. Post consistently, 3 to 5 short videos per day for at least 2 weeks. Use simple hooks like, TikTok made me buy it, why didn't anyone tell me about this sooner? Or, this solves a huge problem. Use trending sounds and keep videos between 5 and 9 seconds for maximum retention. If your content gets views and visitors but not sales, check your product page. Usually the issue is pricing, slow shipping, or weak product description. Fix those and keep posting. Once you get traction organically, it's time to scale with paid ads. In 2026, the best platform for scaling is still Meta ads, Facebook and Instagram. Start with Advantage Plus shopping campaigns. They perform extremely well for beginners because Meta handles the optimization for you. Use 3 to 5 ad creatives, each with different hooks and angles. Don't test 20 ads. Keep it simple. For targeting, let Meta optimize. Broad targeting works best in 2026. Set your daily budget low, around $20 to $30 per day, and let the algorithm learn. Check your performance after 2 to 3 days. If your cost per purchase looks good, increase your budget by 20 to 30% every 1 to 2 days. Don't increase too fast or the algorithm resets. If Meta isn't working or you want another traffic source, try TikTok ads using the Creative Center. TikTok is amazing for impulse buy products, especially low ticket items under $40. Use short, punchy videos with strong hooks. TikTok users love fun, fast-paced content. Always track your analytics. Use Shopify Analytics, the Meta Ads dashboard, and Google Analytics to see your traffic, add to carts, and conversion rates. A healthy store should have a conversion rate of at least 2%. If yours is below that, look at your product page, shipping times, emojis in descriptions. Cluttered layout, or missing guarantees. Customer service is another important part of dropshipping. Use apps like Zendesk, Amaze, or Shopify Inbox to manage customer messages. Respond quickly and politely. Offer tracking numbers and clear updates. Refunds will happen. That's normal. The key is handling everything professionally. Once your store is generating consistent sales, start branding. Order custom packaging, private label your product, get faster shipping, and build a long-term brand instead of relying on one trending product. You can even create a new website specifically for your niche. Branding is how you turn dropshipping into a real business. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips for beginners in 2026. Don't chase shiny objects. Focus on one product for at least 2 weeks. Don't compare your results to other people on social media. Their screenshots may be fake or exaggerated. Dropshipping takes time and consistency, just like any business. Don't worry if your first product fails. Most successful dropshippers fail their first 3 to 5 products. What matters is learning quickly and improving. And finally, enjoy the process. Dropshipping is one of the easiest online businesses to start with low investment, and it can change your life if you stay consistent. That's everything you need to know to start Shopify dropshipping in 2026 as a complete beginner. I hope this video helps you get started successfully. If you found value in this guide, make sure to subscribe to Stock Predictor for more business, e-commerce, and financial growth content. Drop a comment below telling me what product you're planning to sell, and I'll reply with suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.